Hello, I'm Tony Negri. I'm the Commercial Product Manager with Phillips 66 Lubricants. We're here today to do an engine teardown on a 2014 DD13 engine with 884,000 miles on it. This engine has run its entire life on FA4 10W30, and we're excited to see the results as we tear it down and take a look at the wear over time. It's important to note that this engine has never had the head off, just had normal maintenance and oil changes throughout its life. Very excited to show you the results. So we've torn down the engine. The techs did an amazing job breaking this thing down, separating out all the parts. Parts raiders have been crawling all over these pieces. They've done all the analysis. So now we're down to the meat and potatoes here, Shawn.
Yeah, looking at all the major components all day long, I picked out 3 major items here of concern when looking at lubricant protection, and specifically in our case, viscosity. I've got a cylinder liner, a piston, and some of the engine rod bearings. The liner, as you can see, has very little, if any, bore polishing on it, which tells you that the FA4, even at a lower viscosity, is giving you good scuffing protection. The piston also indicates the same thing. There is virtually no piston skirt scuffing on this piston. The ring grooves are all perfectly clean, which tells you the turgency is working like it should. The main thing here are the engine bearings. When we talk about an FA4 fluid and lower high temp, high shear, we always get concerned about this regime right here. Will this bearing protect the crankshaft and the rest of the components like it should? In this case, very little wear, excellent protection. All of these things combined should let the fleet owner know that there should be no concern whatsoever when switching to an FA4 for fuel economy benefits.
So FA4 was created specifically to achieve fuel economy gains for fleets, but we also know that the primary concern is going to be wear control. We see now we can get fuel economy and wear control without compromises. If you operate a fleet and you're looking for more information, please go to our website, Phillips66lubricants.com, or call our technical hotline.